have been sent a chainsaw to demonstrate, and now I've got to go out in the back here and find a stick or something to cut. But since we cut down 2 trees and put a fence up, I have to go over to the neighbors and find a branch to cut. We have no trees, and they have some trees. Stick it over here. So various items to cut the branch. You could use this handsaw, electric pole saw. This is another video. You want to check that out. Here's the link. We could do a gas chainsaw.
That's not what we're demonstrating today.
So people send me things, and then I demonstrate them, and then you can decide if you like it or not. This is by Imoum. I-M-O-U-M. Imoum. Imoum? I don't know. Imoum Live. It comes in a nice plastic case. Well, instructions, goggles. I better put those on. Ooh, I wonder if these batteries are already charged up. Oh, it is. Slides in there. Oh, I've got to put some chain lube in there. Here's what I was supposed to use. Okay, well, we'll put that on for future use. There's a little brush. We get a file, saw chain, 21 volt max power source. Okay, don't forget the safety goggles. Oh, hold on. Okay. Yeah. I guess it's pretty good. Well, that's pretty good. Yeah. The Imoum Live 6-inch battery chainsaw. I'm gonna get this 6-inch chainsaw for the safety goggles. Yeah. Tracy's gonna try it.
Okay. This is such a girl tool.